Hi, I am Nadalyn.
And hi, I'm Javert.
Welcome to JAEHUB.
Need training, internship, or OJT?
Well, good news, you're watching the right clip for you.
Did you know that JAEHUB is an excellent for intern students to gain valuable experience and knowledge? Of course, you don't know that because you've never been in JAEHUB. Kidding.
Wow.
At JAEHUB, we specialize in delivering exceptional services to our clients. We create e-commerce websites, landing pages, point-of-sale systems, and more.
Our internship program is fully remote, providing flexibility to work from anywhere while gaining real-world experience. We're looking for interns in various fields, so if you're currently studying Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, Information Technology, Computer Engineering, Sales and Marketing, Business Administration, Human Resources, Graphic Design, Financial Management, Entrepreneurship, or K-12, don't miss out on this opportunity. Apply now and join our team.
Wow, that's a lot of courses.
Yes, welcome to JAEHUB, hahaha.
Applying for our internship program is straightforward. To begin, visit our website or click the link provided in the video description. Select the internship course that aligns with your field of study and fill out the accompanying Google form. Remember to attach your resume before submitting your application. Our HR team will review your application within 24 hours and contact you for further details.
We're eager to hear from talented and passionate individuals like you and can't wait to review your application. Apply today and take the first step toward an exciting and fulfilling internship with JAEHUB.
You can also visit our Facebook page. Just search JAEHUB or https://www.facebook.com/biz.jahub.
You can also direct to our JAEHUB website. Just visit https://www.jahubservices.com/.
We are excited to welcome all of you to this exciting internship that you will about to experience.